Hey guys, Hector here for My Credit Sharks. Happy to announce great news. Our Black Friday deal and Cyber Monday deal has been explosive. The response we're getting is great. People are looking at the testimonials. They're actually seeing exactly what we've done for clients. And I'm happy to announce today, Tuesday morning, I'm going to be extending this the whole week. I want to help out as many people possible, as many families possible, individuals, single moms, anyone that's gone through some hard breakups, divorce, that's left a pain of bad credit behind them. I want to get to you and I want to let you know that I'm going to extend this the whole week for you guys. So normally our package will cost $500, or should I say 497 for the gold package. That's where all the bells and whistles, the most aggressive disputing techniques that is going to get through the credit bureaus to get your results guaranteed within 90 days. But most of my clients, they see results within 30 to 45 days. Okay. Once again, there's not a lot of slots left. I'm going to say that again, not a lot of slots left. So I encourage you to click that link below, sign up. Once you do that, we will go ahead and reach out to you and get you on a onboarding call that will get your credit pulled, and you'll speak to your account manager, BJ, and he's waiting on the other side, waiting for you guys to sign up so that we could give you the service that you deserve. Many people ask me, do we do collections, late payments, charge off, repossessions, bankruptcy, student loans, inquiries, and most important, people, your personal information. Your personal information is the foundation to your credit. Okay. So if you are one of those people that want to put yourself in a better position for 2025, this is your answer. This is your chance to say you had enough and you're going to do something about it today. My name is Hector. I'm the owner of My Credit Sharks. We've been doing this for 15 years, and I can tell you, I don't win unless you win. So text us, call us, whatever you need to do, but click that link, sign up, get your slot. Don't wait until Friday, because on Friday this deal is going to be over. It's really going to be over, and we're going to go back to our regular pricing. This is your opportunity to make a change on your credit report. Very simple. We do all the work for you. All you have to do is call us when you have a question. And believe me, there will be questions, okay? But we'll answer your calls 7 days a week. You'll have my direct line, my team's direct line, and we'll do the right thing for you guys, okay? So go ahead, click the link below, subscribe, and let's get you going. Let's get you going. Let's get that respectable credit score that you deserve, okay? In this country here, everyone needs good credit. So what is stopping you today from getting signed up? Go ahead. I'll meet you on the side. If you want to write me a message once you sign up, go ahead. I'll read every single message. I will call you if you want me to call you. But if not, once again, your account manager, BJ, will be the one handling also your credit report updates and everything else. You get a monthly update, and we're looking forward to meeting you guys. Once again, Hector, proud owner of My Credit Sharks.